Hi guys, I just got a roll of batting in, and I ordered my batting from Kingman Quilting Supply. I think they're located somewhere in the Midwest over here. And so it's like $25 for shipping for a big roll of batting. And I think the batting I bought was 108 by 30 yards. And I think it was 170, could be 79, and it's Hobbs 80/20. But I wanted to show you how they shipped my thread in the bag. So let's see if I can get down here. So here's the end, and they stuck the thread inside the batting. There you go. I thought that was pretty funny. I've never ordered a thread from them. And this is the thread I got. Actually, this is Omni thread, and it was cheaper to order from them than it was to order from Superior Threads, which was a dollar more, which was weird. So theirs is 14 something a cone, and I think Superior, which this is Superior Threads, was 15 something a cone. So anyway, I'll put a link in the description if you want to order batting from them and you're in the Midwest. It's pretty cost effective. Thanks.